For this month is again going to be a contrary trade, but I think you can short IBM. That the stock actually, I liked it a month ago, but now I've really got the break that I want. And if you can be patient, I think you can maybe time your entry and get a little higher price than where it is today in the 116, 117 range. It went from 131 to 113. I think you'll see a bounce from here, 117 to 125, and if you can get that, I think you can pretty much know where your top is at the 125 level. Sell the stock short, sell calls, buy puts, however you want to put the trade on. Again,
I think that's a great point to make, though, to the audience, is that these are just fantasy. We're making these picks for fun. As we're trading them, we're not buying them today as we're talking about them or whatever. A lot of times we're going to own them, but a lot of times, you're trading this stuff in a month.
40%
a month,
I
you're going to trade Monaco 40, 50
call
times.
Dave Jones if you want to see the show at least once a week, every day, because he can get that done for you. But until that happens,
and then we'll have some really relevant picks for the audience.
Then we can be be more. But other than that, we're filming this every 30, 40 days.
You could be in and out 3 or 4 times during the course of that. So.
Absolutely. How about you, Dave? What are you looking at?
Well, I want to follow up on the one I had last month, which was the being short the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. I predicated that on slowing economy, gold prices going down. That's been a great trade. I did own that trade for a while. I've been out of that. I might get back in. Going forward, though, I think that the good call from a currency standpoint is to be long the euro versus the British pound. British pound has gotten hammered, so yes, it may bounce, but still on a interest rate differential and overall economic outlook, I think the euro looks like a stronger economy than the British economy. Yeah. So it's a relative basis play, which essentially all currencies are, but it's also one that is not nearly as volatile as some of the other currency pairs out there.
So you're saying there's no trade in the dollar right now, but Euro, British pound, there's some action there.
That's exactly right, because there is action in the dollar, but you got to want to step up and take some risk.
Well, and again,
that's how you sidestep it.
You see these crowded trades, whether it's bullish or bearish, and again, I think obviously the stories become
my
very
email factor. We all talk about the email indicator. I've gotten a lot of email from my clients that I supply research to, and they're wondering, why aren't you long the dollar?
Right.
That to me is the ultimate sign that okay, I shouldn't be in the dollar right now, at least on the long side.
When it's easy up or down, the easy money is about to be kicked.
I'm happy to miss a move.
To the curb. Thank you.
I'm always happy to miss a move because I just don't sleep well if I've got something.
You're better
I'm not
safe than
comfortable.
sorry. Just like in anything else in life, you're better safe than sorry. Keep when in question, keep your money in cash, whatnot. So.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Cash isn't an investment, I guess.
Yeah, true.
But the dollar versus the dollar sometimes is.
Sometimes is, yeah.
Okay.
That's about all the time we have for this month's episode. Remember, if you have any questions for us, you can send us an email, questions@thetradingdesk.net. We'd love to answer it, maybe even on the air. We get questions all the time, so shoot them in, and we'll do our best. Anyways, that's our show for this month, and until next time, stay classy, Central Oregon.